Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you the Turtle Wax, all new Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro Graphene Infused Flex Wax. So I did a video with my '06 Ford F-150, which was black, and that was like that day I did it and showed you the gloss and the benefits of it. Well, this video is to show you 72 hours later in inclement weather. So for the last week and a half, we've had rain. We haven't had sunshine for nothing down here in South Georgia. So I applied this about 72 hours ago. We let it sit for 24 in the garage. The next day, my wife went and picked up groceries, ran through water puddles, mud puddles, probably picked up road grime along the way. So in this video, I just want to show you the results um, with all the dirt. And even though it's dirty, it still has that gloss. The windows are still glossy. You can see the reflection. You can see the side of my yard over here. Oh, there I am. And it's dirty. I want you to pay particular attention to all around the wheel well here. We're going to squirt this off. Now it's gone. This right here is wax that I have to get, or road tar rather, that I have to get off, but the dirt doesn't even stick. You spray it off and it's gone. The hydrophobic properties are still there, so it's going to bead up. Easier for you to dry off. I would use a leaf blower. That's what I use with my detailing business to help, get all the water out of the cracks and crevices, especially if you're getting ready to apply a wax or a polish. That's the last thing you want, is water dripping down into your wax or polish. But even when you're driving down the road, a lot of the water does not stay, beads up and sheets off. I applied it to her wheels, which are a little dirty, but it gives it that high gloss and a layer of protection, easier to keep clean. So, to show you the water sheeting abilities, gone. A couple tightly netted water spots there, or water beads rather, which will blow off while driving down the road. Just insane how fast it comes off the hood. So that's the new Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Pro Graphene Infused Flex Wax. It's flexible and it's versatile because you can use it on the chrome, you can use it on headlights, reflection in the headlight, you can use it on painted surfaces, glass. And even though this vehicle is dirty, it still has a gloss and a shine with UV protection. And this is great on the windows because of the hydrophobic properties. So there's a lot of advantages to having this. So this product I rank as a 5 out of 5 stars. The ease of use, you spray on 2 panels, or 2 squirts per panel. Take your microfiber rag, wipe it on. Take you a dry microfiber rag right behind that, buff it off, and you are good. So again, this is just 72 hours after applying this. Just giving you a look at the water beading and how slick the paint is, how glossy it is. It still has the UV protection. The longer it sits, the tighter web for protection that you get. So the chemicals are bonding to your paint. So you can apply this and drive off in the rain. That is absolutely fine. You don't have a curing time. However, you don't want to run this thing to a car wash, which I don't recommend anyway, or spray any kind of chemicals on it, such as tire cleaner in the mist will get up on your fender wells for at least 24 hours. The stuff can be used on pretty much anything except but convertible tops. So, pretty good product. Brand new from Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions. It's a pro, so a pro can use it. Mobile detailer can use it. A guy, a gal, you got a show car going to a show, you can use it. Give you the showroom shine. Alright, with that being said, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thank you for viewing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll answer them as soon as possible. And with that being said, keep it clean, and y'all be blessed.